Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy chocolate oatmeal with banana. It's so easy to put together, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the full instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this lovely chocolate oatmeal. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know if you give this oatmeal a try. And let's just get straight into it. I'll show you how to make it. Into my saucepan I'm going to pop half a cup of oats. I'm using rolled organic oats, but you could use porridge oats if you want a thinner consistency. I quite like this in my porridge. And then we're going to add in half a cup of milk. So I just like grabbing out my half a cup measure and just keep filling it up. So we've got half a cup of milk, and I'm going to do half a cup of water. I've just got my kettle here, but it's not boiled water, it's just left over in the kettle. So half a cup of water, and then for the chocolate I'm using a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and my banana will sweeten up my oats, but I'm just going to add a bit of maple syrup as well, not a whole tablespoon, just about that much. And we'll give it all a stir in. And now for the banana, I've chopped up a whole small banana. I'm saving some for the topping, and I'm going to pop the rest into my oats, and it's going to cook, and it gets all soft and gooey and just so deliciously good. So we're going to mix the banana in, and then we're going to put it onto heat, and I'm going to pop it onto low to medium heat, slowly bring it up to a simmer, and we're going to cook it until we have lovely banana chocolatey oatmeal. I've just got it over medium heat. Keep giving it a little stir around and just watch it as it comes up to a boil. We'll bring it down to the lowest heat and just let it simmer away until it's thickened to your liking, and you might like it extra creamy. I like mine quite gooey, and for the bananas to all get nice and soft. But yeah, I'm going to cook it to my liking and show you once it's done. It's been bubbling away for a few minutes. It's thickened up beautifully. It's like having chocolate pudding for breakfast. So good. So I'm going to give it another minute or so and then move it into a bowl. Okay, it's done. Move it into a bowl. How good does that look? Like I said, it's like a chocolate pudding for breakfast, and this fills me. I can go most of the rest of the day just about on this big bowl full. So yum. And just take a look how beautiful and creamy this chocolate oatmeal is. Can't wait for breakfast. And now you can enjoy it just like this, or pop on your toppings of choice. And I'm going for banana that I chopped earlier, and some roasted almonds just for a bit of crunch too. And that is my lovely chocolate oatmeal with banana. It's a sweet and delicious and hearty and wholesome breakfast that is vegetarian and vegan friendly if you use dairy-free milk. So that is today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know what you thought of this video. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full step-by-step instructions that you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this lovely recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!